Hello again, everyone. This is Charles at First Auto Credit and Paddle King Boats, and today I have a pretty cool build. It's a floor plan number 5 Paddle King LoPro Cruiser. It's a 2020 model. This color, I'm hoping that the sun is giving us a good look at the paint here. This is a charcoal and caribou color. Caribou brown. It's a brown top as well. I'll go inside. You'll notice I actually have swivel seats in this. The floor plan 5 is wide open. This did not have swivel seats, so I can add them in if necessary or if wanted or needed. It's equipped with a rag and also a 20 horsepower Tohatsu. It's a 4-cylinder fuel injected, 4-stroke fuel injected engine with electric tilt, electric charging. This engine can actually run with the battery dead. It produces enough power to power all of its fuel injection to keep it running, and then it has electric charging to recharge your battery as it runs. I'll go over this boat real briefly here. You'll notice I have the cleats mounted on the rear here. We decided to go with that location. It's a clean look for me, and it's sturdy. I think it's really nice. We'll go inside and I'll show you the inside of the boat. Okay, on this particular model, the swivel seats, yes, they are gray, but this boat is leaving tomorrow and going to Maryland. So they do not have time to wait on the shipping to me, so I just had the proper seat covers drop shipped from the manufacturer to Maryland and their address. This also has a removable swivel table. You take the bottom, unscrew it. It's actually a reverse thread, and you can remove the table from the post, and you can remove the post from the floor. So you can remove table and post and separate them. This boat, of course, as all the other Paddle King LoPros, has a storage, this is the live well on the port side. That is the bimini cover, and these are the 3 mooring poles. They won't ride there, they're sitting there for now. And I'll go underneath and open this up. My fuel tank's there, and then underneath here I have my speakers, kicker speakers. I have my Minn Kota Precision single bank charger with a 27 series battery. I've already done the initial break-in on this, so when the customer gets it, they'll have to finish the break-in, but I do the initial checkout by the dealer, and then that way they can hit the water safely. On this particular boat, we do have the safety package. I'll turn the radio on. I like the Quart radio. It's a simple interface for most to use. And I'll turn this down. So as far as how to use the Quart radio, if you can see this, you press source, and this little, I'm gonna call it a Rolodex, pops up, and you actually turn to pick your options on the Rolodex. I don't know what to call it other than Rolodex. And then you click the power volume button again to go to that selection. You can add in cameras to it. It's Bluetooth capable. There's a lot of cool features about this particular head unit. Of course, we also have the standard bilge and navigation lights. It's a pretty simple build. But if you guys have any questions on a boat like this, you can give me a call. Of course, you can call me. My name is Charles at 573-204-7777. That is our main line. I'll show you how speakers look here. You can also email me at charles@firstautocredit.com. It's a good looking boat. I really appreciate you guys watching again. Like I said, these boats are going quick. I have more ordered. They should be here soon. And then we'll just keep slinging them out the rest of the year. I appreciate y'all very much for taking time to watch my video. If you have any questions on any of the things that you see here, shoot me an email or give me a call. Thank you so much, everyone. Appreciate y'all.